Hi there, students. To blast, to slam, to call out, to rip into somebody, to criticise. Okay, I think all of these words can be used to mean to criticise, maybe to torch as well. Let's see, to criticise is a general word meaning to say, to be angry with somebody, to find fault with what they've done, to point out the flaws or the mistakes that a person has made. So I don't think any of us really like to be criticised, but if it's constructive criticism teaching us how to improve, then yes, I think constructive criticism is a very good thing. But we have lots and lots of words for this. Very often in the press they blast somebody. The Prime Minister was blasted for his unsympathetic reaction to refugees. The government was blasted for increasing taxes. I think this is a fairly informal word, but it's used, I think, normally in the press. This is news speak, as Orwell might say. George Orwell. So somebody was blasted in the press. A blast is a verbal assault, a verbal outburst. The candidate levelled a blast of criticism at his opponent. So to attack strongly, if you blast somebody, this is very strong. They blasted the mayor for the way he had gone way over budget. So you're attacking, but to blast is very strong. To attack verbally, to criticise. To slam as well, I think, is very similar to blast. So the Prime Minister was slammed by the press for not doing his job properly. To censure forcibly or forcefully, to criticise very strongly. So to slam, the government was slammed, was criticised harshly, was reproved, was condemned for doing this. And again, to slam, this is a very newspeak word. This is a word that I think you would definitely find in the press, both slam and to blast. What about the word to torch? I guess you could torch something. To torch, I'm thinking about using a blowtorch, or to burn down. The barbarians torched the city. I guess you could use this for criticise, but I think it's probably less common. Then we have the phrase to call somebody out. Okay, I think to call somebody out, this is not as aggressive as the previous ones. This is to say something, to confront somebody about their misdeeds, about what they've been doing. So my mum called me out for arriving home drunk. Yeah, she confronted me. So to confront somebody, to talk to somebody about their bad behaviour. Okay, so to call somebody out. The boss called me out for performing worse than everybody else. His wife finally called him out on his lies. Okay, so to say to somebody, you're behaving badly. My teacher called me out for not handing in my homework. So this is more like to be angry with somebody. To rip into. This, I think, is again, to rip into someone is to criticise or to be angry with something, but very strongly. So rip into, this is criticize strongly, but this I would use in a personal relationship. Or the boss ripped into me for losing the contract. My dad ripped into me for behaving irresponsibly. Okay, so to rip into something, to criticize it very strongly. I guess you could use this in newspeak as well. The critics ripped into the new film. The critics ripped into his latest album. But I think rip into is more normally somebody, a personal attack. And I think all of these are criticised generally. So I think to blast and to slam, to criticise very strongly, particularly in the newspapers, in the press, in a review, to call out, somebody calls you out and says, that's something you did wrong. And then to rip into is, that's something you did wrong, but very, very angrily. And all of these are types of criticism. They're ways to criticise somebody. So to blast, 4.5 informality. To slam, you slam a door, 4.5 informality. To call somebody out, 4.5 informality. Rip into, 4.5 informality. To criticise, 5.5 informality. But I think use all of them anywhere, except in something very formal. But you can use criticise in something very formal as well. So, blast, slam, call out, rip into, and criticise. Bye for now.